So hey guys, my name is Shomojit Dash and you are watching is Shomojit Dash and Dash YouTube channel. So today with me here is a ceiling fan named Crompton Aura. Okay, this ceiling fan was bought at the year 2010, means at the end of the 2010 and at the beginning of the 2011. Okay, I can show the level of it. These are the blades, little bit dusty, but that is not a big issue. I will clean it later. As you can see, this particular variant is not having that much grooves. Like newer models. These newer models having the proper bend. You can observe that the proper bend at this portion that helps to throw the air at the down. It is having lesser grooves, but the angle is high. I think as the angle is high, unfortunately the fan is not having its rubber. That's why it makes horrible noise while switching it on, and it is having its original capacitor, original bearings without servicing. The fan is working since 2011. Okay, so let's turn it on and let's check how the performance of the fan is. Ignore the background noise. My father was talking with his cousin, so ignore that background noise. This is the fan. The decor ring is having a big crack at a part, but that is not a big problem. And the upper canopy is also broken. I have fixed it using electric tape, as you can see. The airflow is pretty awesome. Hi. That one is anchor cooler box, which I showed, but that is not in our subject. The main focus, our main focus should be on this Crompton Aura. I am trying to buy this ceiling fan, and I will replace that anchor cooler with another new Crompton Aura. And this is a 48-inch ceiling fan, not a 56-inch, but it is having wider blades. It's a little bit wide at the end part, and this is common design. This is a common design. And I like this thing. Means wider at the end and thinner at the starting blade type ceiling fan. Similarly, there is another ceiling fan named Crompton Jura that is also having the similar construction, but they don't have those decor rings. Okay, means if you remove the decor ring from a Crompton Aura, then it will look like Crompton Jura, but they are, as much I know, they comes in the variant of the color black. Here is Crompton Greaves Private Limited. I don't know how much I can capture. Airflow is pretty awesome. This is the switchboard.